are living things. Animals and plants are living things. These animals are living things. Fish, birds, insects, owls, bats, and otters are animals. Some animals live in trees. Some live on the ground. These snails live in the water, but this garden snail lives on land. These plants are living things too. Some of them are big and others are small. Let's take a look at some parts of plants. The leaves, trunk, branches, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Mushrooms and fungus are living things also. So then, what are living things? Human beings are living things too. How many times do we eat in a day? We need food to live. Living things need water inside their bodies. When we are thirsty, we drink water. Living things need air. Air gets into our bodies through the nose. We change as we grow. Our body becomes bigger, taller, and stronger. People can walk, run, and swim. Do you know of other ways that people can move? Living things reproduce. Human beings give birth to babies. Living things need food. Food gives them energy. Food is needed to grow. Living things use the energy from food to help them move. Animals take in food by eating it. Some animals eat plants. These horses eat grass. The bats eat fruit. butterfly sucks a sweet juice called nectar from the flowers. Here, we see a bird eating the fruit on a tree. Some animals eat seeds. Tigers and crocodiles eat other animals for food. Some animals eat meat. Spider traps small insects using their web. This is a spider. It is making a web. This is a fly. It gets trapped in the spider's web. The fly can't move, and the spider comes and eats the fly. Some birds eat fish. A frog uses its tongue to catch insects. Unlike animals, plants make their own food. Carbon dioxide from the air and water to produce glucose. Glucose is a type of sugar. Glucose is the food for the plant. Living things need water inside their bodies. This bear is drinking from a coconut. The bird is drinking water. A fish needs water to live in. Tadpoles are young frogs. They live in the water. Mosquito larvae also live in the water. In plants, water is absorbed by the roots. The water is sent to all parts of the plant. Living things need air. Animals breathe to get air inside their bodies. A fish gets air from the water through its gills. A hippopotamus breathes through its nose. frogs take in air through their wet skin. Insects have small holes by the side of their bodies to let air in. In plants, there are small holes underneath the leaf to let air in. Young animals are small. They grow and become big. A chick grows to become a hen or a rooster. A young goat is called a kid. Small young plants grow to become big plants. A small banana plant grows to become a big banana plant. Some plants grow from seeds. Animals move in order to find food, water, and safety. Birds, bats, and insects fly. Some animals walk and run. A gibbon swings from branch to branch. Some animals crawl. A snake crawls. A snail crawls slowly. Kangaroos jump and hop when they move. This centipede has many legs. The legs help it to move. A fish swims, and so does an otter. Can plants move? No, they can't. The shoot of a plant pushes its way through soil as it grows out of a seed. The petals of the hibiscus flower separate and opens outwards as it blooms. The mimosa plant is sensitive to touch. The leaves will close and bend downwards when it is touched. Living things need to increase their numbers. Animals reproduce by producing young ones. They do this by laying eggs or giving birth. A snake lays eggs, but have different colors on their bodies. Some young animals look different from their parents. Caterpillars will become beautiful butterflies. Tadpoles will become frogs. A female frog lays her eggs in water. When the eggs hatch, tadpoles come out. Ducks lay eggs that will produce more ducks. Young ducks are called ducklings. A hen lays eggs. It sits on the eggs to warm them. The eggs hatch after some time. When a hen's eggs hatch, little chicks come out. Some plants produce flowers. The flowers will become fruits. The seed inside the fruit will grow to become a new plant. Some plants, like paddy, produce grains. The grains have seeds. The seeds will grow into new plants.
All living things grow, animals, plants and people. Some are big, some are small, some are short and some are tall. All living things move, animals, plants and people. Some can fly, some can swim, some can walk and run. All living things have their needs, animals, plants and people. They need food, they need water, they need air to breathe. All living things move and they grow, animals, plants and people. They all live in harmony. It's a wonderful world to be. Wonderful world to be.
We have learned that animals and plants are living things. Animals and plants need food, water, and air. Living things grow, move, and reproduce. When living things reproduce, they increase their numbers. Some animals give birth to their young. Some animals lay eggs. Human beings give birth to babies. Most plants reproduce by producing seeds. Some young plants grow from the leaves. What are the things that living things need to live? Describe how a plant makes its own food. Make a list of the animals you know of that do not look like their parents when they are young. Why do most animals need to move?